A lot of the reaction from the financial markets on this has been due to the fact that historically they've expected Netflix to overperform. It's never underperformed to this degree. So we'll see what happens in the subsequent quarters, but I would expect, providing that growth can return to expectations, Netflix will be able to shake this off.
Outlook for the current quarter was also more conservative than what Wall Street had expected. 135.1 million members is what they're anticipating. Is this a sign, or what they're saying, is this a sign that Netflix's decision to raise prices backfired?
No, I think generally we've seen subscriber acceptance of price rises, and Netflix has actually been able to continue driving its average revenue per customer ever upwards without seeing too much of a downside on that. And in fact, if we look at the paid additions, and that paints a much more positive picture that in the US domestically, paid additions were roughly equivalent to the same period last year, and internationally they're on the rise. So I think actually the price rises have been broadly accepted by the majority of its subscriber base.
Now, Richard, we've also talked about this idea that you talked about these ARPUs, these average revenue per user numbers. Netflix may be looking to up that number a little bit now. There's some reports out there that they may be looking to add some ultra high definition 4K offerings in certain programs, and you charge them a little bit more per user for that. How much of that could be driving that growth as well as that next technology, that next level of visual stunningness for users out there?
Yeah, UHD is a challenging one, so I wouldn't expect that to have the same impact as, for instance, HD did on the pay TV market years back, and that's largely because the improvement in visual quality is just not so much of a step up for consumers. They need a very large TV and to be sitting quite close to be actually able to notice the difference. So for Netflix, that's really going to be about driving a small proportion of really high-end customers, but I don't expect that to be the next cash cow for their business.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.